Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss a question from the topic definite integration. This problem is from ITG. The question is, if I is equal to sigma k is equal to 1 to 98 integral of k to k plus 1 dx whole divided by x into x plus 1, then option A, I is greater than log 99 to the base e, option B, I is less than log 99 to the base e, option C, I is less than 49 by 50, and option D, I is greater than 49 by 50. This is very important problem. Now I am going to give approach how to solve these type of problems. Now it is given that I is equal to sigma k is equal to 1 to 98 integral of k plus 1 dx whole divided by x into x plus 1. Now let us suppose put x is equal to t plus k. So if x is equal to t plus k, what does it mean? Dx is equal to dt. And if x is equal to k, t is equal to 0, lower limit, and x is equal to k plus 1, what about t? T is equal to 1. This is in case of upper limit. Now simply putting the values of lower limit, upper limit, what we find? We find I is equal to sigma k is equal to 1 to 98 integral of 0 to 1 k plus 1 dx is equal to dt, and x is equal to t plus k into t plus k plus 1. T plus k plus 1. Now we can say that k plus 1 whole divided by t plus k into t plus k plus 1, this is always be greater than k plus 1 whole divided by t plus k plus 1 whole square. Why this is always greater? Because t plus k is less than t plus k plus 1, so it is in denominator. So this means if you divide the larger number by denominator, the output is smaller. Therefore, what can we conclude? We conclude this k plus 1 dt is always be greater than k plus 1 dt integral 0 to 1. Now sigma, and what is the value of sigma? K is equal to 1 to 98. So what can we say? I is equal to is greater than sigma k is equal to 1 to 98 k plus 1 whole divided by t plus k plus 1 whole square dt 0 to 1, because it is given that k plus 1 dt whole divided by t plus k into t plus k plus 1 is greater than k plus 1 dt t plus k plus 1 whole square, and simply taking sigma, so sigma k is equal to 1 to 98, this term is always greater than this. And what about this term, complete term? This is I. So I is greater than sigma k is equal to 1 to 98 k plus 1 dt whole divided by t plus k plus 1 square. Now simply calculating the value of this integration, what we find? We find this I is greater than minus k plus 1 into 1 upon t plus k plus 1, because integral of dx by x square is equal to minus 1 by x. Simply applying this concept here, integral of dt upon t plus k plus 1 whole square is equal to minus 1 upon 1 by t plus k plus 1, and this is k plus 1, this is constant, so you can take this k plus 1 outside the sign of integral. This is independent of t, that's why. Now simply putting the upper limit and lower limit, what we find? We find this I is greater than sigma k is equal to 1 to 98 minus k plus 1 1 upon k plus 2 minus 1 upon k plus 1, And after further calculation, what we find, rearranging the sign, we find. So, simply putting the upper limit and lower limit, this is 1 upon k plus 2 minus 1 upon k plus 1, and take this minus sign inside this bracket. So we find this I is greater than k plus 1, 1 upon k plus 1 minus 1 upon k plus 2. So finally, if we calculate this further, we find I is greater than sigma k is equal to 1 to 98, 1 upon k plus 2. Because 1 upon k plus 1 minus 1 upon k plus 2 is nothing but this is equal to 1 by k plus 1 into k plus 2. So this k plus 1 will get cancelled out. So putting the values of sigma, finally what we get? We get this I is greater than 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 till 1 by 100. So how many terms are there? There are 98 terms. 98 number of terms are there. And if I is greater than this, so what can we say? We can also say that I is greater than 1 by 100 plus 1 by 100. The larger the denominator, the lesser the value. 1 by 100, 1 by 100, till 1 by 100. 98 terms. Why this is possible? Because 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 100. 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 100. 1 by 4 is greater than 1 by 100. The larger the denominator, the smaller the result. 1 by 100 and 1 by 99 also greater than 1 by 100. So adding all, we get I is greater than 98 by 100. So finally what we get I is greater than 49 by 50. So this is the way to calculate this I. Now, this is a multiple choice question. We need to find the other result also. Now, can we say that this k plus 1 whole divided by x into x plus 1, what is lower limit of this integration? This is k and upper limit is k plus 1. This means x varies from k to k plus 1. This is always less than k plus 1 upon x into k plus 1 for all x, because the lower the value x plus 1, lowest value of x plus 1 is smallest value which occurs only when x is equal to k. So this is always b is smaller than k plus 1. So what can we say? We can say that k plus 1 whole divided by x into x plus 1 is less than 1 upon x, because smallest value of x plus 1 is k plus 1 here, and the smaller the denominator, the larger the output. So if we calculate this further, what we find this into dx whole divided by x into x plus 1 is less than dx by x. And what is dx by x? Dx by x is equal to log of x. So what can we say finally? This sigma k is equal to 1 to 98 integral of k into k plus 1 dx whole divided by x into x plus 1 is less than sigma k is equal to 1 to 98. And what about this? This is ln x. K is equal to 1, k to k plus 1. Now what I did, simply write this dx by x is equal to ln x and apply the sigma, and this I is less than, this is this value is I, total value I is less than sigma k is equal to 1 to 98 log of k plus 1 whole divided by k. So simply putting the values of k to 1 to 98, what we find finally, this I is less than log 2 by 2 by 3, 2 by 1, sorry, 2 by 1 plus log of 3 by 2 till log of 99 by 98, and apply the concept of logarithm. What we find finally, this is log 2 by 1 into 3 by 2 till 99 by 98. All the terms will get cancelled. So what we find finally, we find I less than log of 99. So finally what we get? Finally we get I is greater than 49 by 15, I is less than log 99. So answer of this question are B and D. So hope you understand the solution, how to attempt this type of problem. Thank you and see you in next video.